أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هل أتاك حديث ضيف إبراهيم المكرمين إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال سلام قوم منكرون فراغ إلى أهله فجاء بعجل سمين فقربه إليهم قال ألا تأكلون فأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف وبشروه بغلام عليم. صدق الله العظيم.
Today I am going to present the messages received from the verses recited now. I seek Allah's refuge from the rejected Satan. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Number 1. We should welcome our friends and guests with love, kindness, generosity, and a cheerful attitude. Number 2. Just as Prophet Ibrahim welcomed his guests with greetings and peaceful manners, we also should pray for our friends and guests for their safety, good health, and a successful and peaceful life. Number 3. No effort should be left when it comes to showing hospitality. We should always do our best to treat our friends and guests kindly and make them feel comfortable and valued. Number 4. We should always aim to bring good news and positivity to others and help to remove fear and anxiety from their hearts. May Allah enable us to follow these noble values in our own lives. Thanks for listening to me so patiently. Jazakumullahu khairan.